Welcome to LexPilot. In the next few minutes, we will build a complete High Court bail application together, the kind of draft a senior advocate would settle. Your part is the easy part. Describe the case in your own words, attach your papers, and let LexPilot do the drafting for you. Let's begin. From the sidebar, open draft a document. Everything happens on this one screen. You describe the case, you attach the papers, and LexPilot writes the filing. First, describe your case in your own words, as if you are briefing a junior. Who your client is, what the FIR says, how long he has been in custody, which order you are challenging, and what relief you want. Write as much as you like. The more you tell it, the better your draft. Next, add your supporting documents, any papers you have for the matter. Just click here and choose your files. For this bail application, we are attaching three: the FIR, the custody certificate, and the Sessions Court's order refusing bail. All three papers are attached. LexPilot will read every single page of them. So, your draft is built on your own documents, not on guesswork. And if your chamber has its own house style, you can attach one of your past drafts here as a reference. LexPilot will then draft in exactly that format. Today, we will let it use the standard court format. That is all it needs. Now, one click, generate the draft. Now sit back for a moment and let it work. LexPilot reads your papers page by page. It picks the correct format, a regular bail application for the High Court of Delhi. It takes the facts only from your brief and your documents, and it searches a live library of real Indian judgments to support every ground. It never invents a fact, and it never ever invents a case. And here is your draft, a real Word document in the court's own format. This is the cover page and the index. Now scroll down slowly and read the synopsis. Your client's whole story, set out properly. And just below it, the list of dates and events, built straight from your papers. Every single date correct. Now the grounds, the heart of the application. Read them slowly. Each ground argues your facts, and each one stands on a real Supreme Court judgment. Satender Kumar Antil, Manish Sisodia, Sanjay Chandra. The long custody. The parity with the co-accused already on bail. The civil nature of the dispute. Argued the way a senior advocate would argue them. And at the end, the prayer and the affidavit ready for your client to sign. Now the part that matters most, trust. Open the Cited tab. Every judgment in your draft is listed here. Open any one, and LexPilot shows you the real case itself, its issue, its facts, and its holding. Read it, satisfy yourself before you file. Nothing is invented. A few details only you know: your name, your enrollment number, your chamber. LexPilot never guesses these. It leaves them as clear blanks, and you fill each one just once. It is then placed everywhere it belongs in the document. Want any part of the draft to be stronger? You never have to retype it. Take this ground, the one on custody and delay. Let us make it sharper. Just tell the agent what you want in plain words. No commands to learn. Here, strengthen this ground with the Supreme Court's guidelines in Satender Kumar Antil. And send. It rewrites only that portion using the judgment you asked for, and the rest of your draft stays exactly as it was. Here is the strengthened ground. And the draft is always yours to touch. Click anywhere and edit it by hand, just like any word processor. You are always in full control. And every change is saved as a version. You can compare them or go back to an earlier one anytime. When you are satisfied, download your draft as a Word file to settle, sign, and file. Or export it as a PDF already in the court's format. Either way, it is ready to file. So that is LexPilot. You described the case, you attached the papers. LexPilot did the drafting. In the court's format, with real judgments, you can verify yourself. What takes a chamber a full day, you just did in minutes. Go to lexpilot.in and try it on your own matter today. It is free to start.